I am civil engineer Wahid Ibrahim, a consultant in supervising concrete projects for more than 35 years. With God willing, I will start special and specific course in this field. In this session, I will deal with the most accurate and most important details as possible as I can, provided that the information should be simple and far from complex. I will be keen on the logical sequence of the topic so that the follower can link each part to the other with full clarity of all the details. Thus, a recent graduate engineer as well as an experienced engineer obtains the desired experience. I hope that God will grant me success, and this work will be the beginning of a comprehensive engineering encyclopedia. But in order to continue, I expect you to subscribe to the channel and share your views with us. These opinions will be of interest and appreciation, and we will respond to them all, whether in Arabic, English, or any other language.